kampani zonna zagaddwawo ezibadde zitwala abantu okugenda okukola nga bakadaama ne bassekadaama. Ngenda kusomera kampani ezasigaddewo era ezikkirizibwa okutambuza abantu okubatwala okukola nga bakadaama ne bassekadaama. Wuliriza nnyo, singa towulira linnya lya kampuni yo nga ndisoma wano nga toliwulidde, manya nti kampani eyo eyakutambuza baagigaddewo era ne gy'oli obalibwanga omukukuse. Kampani eyakutambuza kitegeeza nti teyalina license oba teyalina mpapula zigikkiriza kukola mulimu ogwo okutambuza. Y'ensonga zagaddwawo era naawe gy'oli gavumenti ekubalanga eyakukusibwa. Kakati kampani ze ngenda okusoma wano zeezo zokka ezikkirizibwa okutwala abantu okukola era oli wa ddembe okulagirirayo omuntu wo yenna ayagala okuba nga atambuzibwa. Tutandise ne kampani esooka nga eyitibwa Dream Connect, endala Able Tigers Security Service Limited, Ebenezer Recruitment, EFADA Recruitment, EJM Global Manpower, Ekisinga Recruitment, Edifisan Group Limited, Elite Winners Agency, abuleno zo ngenda kukiwandiikaawo zolaba mpandiikaawo ne ziba zinene okusoma kati neeyo nayo eri nayo ekkirizibwa. Elfayed Company Limited, Emali Recruit International, Emlarge Uganda Limited, Empowerage International. Nayo kanditeekaawo eyo nayo gyolaba gyentaddeawo nayo ekkirizibwa. Enjaz Limited, Environ Class Uganda Limited, Essential Communications Limited, Explora Dubai nayo ekkirizibwa. EZ Visa Company ekkirizibwa. Faith Recruitment Agency ekkirizibwa. Favor Recruitment Agency ekkirizibwa. Focus Employment Linkages, Fraha Recruitment Agency, Free Zone International Recruitment, Fresh Mind International Limited, Gabi Consultants Limited, Get Recruit Global Solutions Limited, Gaia Bayern Limited, Guestfly International Links Limited, Daniel nayo ekkirizibwa eddala nezo zennemesoma. Daniel ekkirizibwa. Golden Arm Limited, Golden Star Recruitment Agency, Gold Silver Management SMC ekkirizibwa. Gosport International, Greener Pastures Overseas Consultants, Gulf Link International, Happy Enterprises Limited, Paramine Employment Consultant, Hatcher International Labour Agency, Hattery Security Services Limited, Hayes General Agency Limited, Hayes Recruitment Experts, HBM Recruitment Agency, Hayes International Limited, High Ground International, High Hope International Agency, Huron Agency Limited, Horeb Services Uganda Limited, HM Services Limited, Imara Global Employment, Infinity Recruitment, Infinity Staffing Limited, Interconnect Overseas Recruitment, International Employment Linkages, ISAB International Limited, Jabez Consultancy, Javlan International Recruitment Agency, Jadwa Enterprises Limited, JAG Security Limited, Jack Employment Agency, Jero Holdings International Limited, Jawal International Agency, Jericho International Uganda, Jerusalem Recruitment, Jovic D Employ Enterprises, Jere Replacement, Jere Replacement Limited, Jimelin International SMC Limited, Jojuvi Investment Limited, Kagadi Recruitment Agency, Kamoli Recruitment. Nzikkirizibwa katugende ku paati eddako batugambye tokka ku kyaki kati tugenze wano ewaddako Kamwe Recruitment, Kanakal Recruitment, Cascorp International, Kazmasters Limited, Keira Solutions Limited, Kefra Investments, Keting Tawakal Logistics, Carriage Agencies Limited, KHM International Consultancy, Kingsland Agency Limited, Pleasure International Limited, Crystal Recruiters, KRYSTAL Recruiters, Labour Frontiers International, Labour Work International, Living Holdings, Regit Recruitment, Linford Consultancy, Login Employment Solution, Macro Manpower Limited, Mafaz Recruitment, Magrebo Agencies, Maisha Self Job, Marisuri Apollo Investment, Mahaba Recruitment, Mariba Agencies, Mafi International Recruitment Agency, Mawarid Recruitment Limited, Melissa, Meisha, okay, Meisha, or no, Melissa International Agency, Migration Solution Limited, Mirembe Recruitment, Mobile Labour International, Molden International Labour Consultancy, Motorsibulos, Media Recruitment Agency, NASA Recruitment, Nebo Recruitment, Neptune Jobs, NOAA Group of Companies, Optiven Uganda Limited, Ozazi Recruitment Service, Take Labour Giants Limited, Carol Maka International Limited, Perfect Recruiters Limited, Take Device, those are opportunities, Platinum Project, potential that. Okay, potential recruitment, Precision International, Labour Connections Limited, Premier Recruitment, Prime Leakages Limited, Prime Recruitment Company Limited, Prospects International, Provio International, Prosafe Recruitment Agency, Draco Job Consultancy, Rama Africano Uganda Limited, Rangers Security Limited, Robinson Recruitment, Locus Recruitment, RS Recruitment Services, Ruham, East Consultancy, Runtown Agency, SCA, Integrated Staffing Services, Salem International Limited, Saviors International Agency, Security Link Limited, Selene Recruitment, Savio International Recruitment, Sharjah, I think it's Sharjah Labour International, Sharp International Employment, Shukrani Habibi Consultant, Hills Alliance Recruitment, Kainet Consultancy, Mpanvu. Okay, Pati Dako, Kugenda Minga Maribiza. Yes. Okay. Sovrani Recruitment, Fifera Recruitment, Tawald Recruiters, Shepa International, Success Jobs Consultant, Sunderland Agencies, Dreamlink Limited, South Recruitment Agency, Cyber Manpower Agency, Casper International, Tempro International, Kinex Recruitment, TerraTrail Connect Limited, The Nomad Company Uganda, Transped Agencies International, Treasury Abilities International Agency Limited, People World Group Limited, Trusting Company, Trustworthy Partners Limited, CSK Recruitment Agency, Kisano Combined Uganda Lubaga, Qualif Company, Ultimate Options Limited, Unique Recruiters, Vaccine Petty Group Limited, VBC, Labour Experts, VBC, Power Progress, Abundance Pastors Agency, Biani Recruitment, Vessel Recruitment, Wamba Holdings Limited, Workforce Logistics and Consultancy, World High End Gate International, Zonal Agency Limited. Okay, kakati wano eno kati yesembayo. KMG International, Abshil Company, Absolute Connection, Absolute Labor International, Abu Shagala Company, African Manpower Consultant, Airblow International, Air System Recruitment, Al Shosh Consultant, Al Iman International, Al Fujairah International Below Force, Al Shura SMC Limited, Alaska International, Al Franifa Agency and Agency for Recruitment and Consultancy Limited, Alka Securitas, Alka Securitas Uganda, Alcareg Limited, Alcad Impact Agency, Alcaregi Manpower, Almata Recruitment, Almalaka Lasset Recruitment Consultants, Almalid Agency for Recruitment and Consultancy Limited, Alwad Company, Al-Salam Logistics and Consultancy, Amemvu International Limited, Amazing Grace Labor Service, Amiyao Sefa Limited, Upcon Security Service, Apex International Recruitment, Aroba Reality Limited, Asakas Uganda Limited, Atlas Intex Limited, Authentic Recruitment, Advanced Security, Access Warriors, Abayani International, Babcock and Bayway, Babcock and Bayway Investment, Best Recruitment Agency, Bizarre Labor Consultant, Black Diamonds Recruitment Limited, BM Forex Workers Limited, Bright Star Creation International, Capacity Labor Agency, Camel Employment Services, Sarah Investment Limited, Objective Investment, Cooperative Recruitment, Creative Group International, Chrysler Job Next Company, Diamond Roses Limited, Derigen, or vice versa, Derigen, Money Overseas Recruitment, Donny Moore Contractor Limited. But thank you for watching. Omanyi okusoma badde nsoma nti mangu ndaye nga nzimalayo mu vidiyo emu naye nga bw'oba nga kampani togiwulidde ku gyensomye just know gy'oli yonna oli mu kukusebwa jjo gavumenti bwetyo bwekubala eya Uganda kubanga kampani eyakutambuza yali teri layisisi nga tebayina biwandiiko bibakkiriza kukola mulimu ogwo era nkusaba tosindikayo omuntu yenna kugenda kumutambuza kubanga agenda kubanga akukusiddwa kuba kampani teri registered na Ugandan government. Yebyo mukama abankumire nnyo atakumira mpeera nsaba mwekuumireko tujja kubanga tusinkana mu vidiyo ziddako. Bye bye.